Hey, Micromaniacs. It's Spencer here at MicroMain, and I'm going to walk you through our new feature of batch printing in MicroMain Global. So first step is going to managing your work orders. From there, I would recommend pulling down the filter screen, and you can only print from these three phases of analysis, execution, and planning. So we've left out the identification phase on purpose, of course, because there's no data in the identification phase of a work order. So we've left that out in batch printing. So the next step is once you've set up your parameters and have a nice list of what you want to print, you can either click all of them and go ahead and print them out, or just a select few. When you're ready to print, you just come over here to this icon on the right and create a new batch print. So once you click that, it will start pulling up this screen where you can dictate what data you want to be printed out on that physical paper work order. There's two things to note here. Of course, the identification phase that we just talked about. They are not printed in the identification phase. And additionally, the documents, of course, will not be printed either. If you did print that and check that box, as you can see here, it would only display a list of the document names. So what that document is called, and it wouldn't print that full document out. So once you've set up your parameters for the work order, then you click submit and it will start downloading that list of work orders, and you can monitor the status here on the top right. Once you see this download icon pop up, you'll know that you can take the next step and download the work orders to a PDF so that you can print them. So let's go ahead and do that. So you can rename the document if you'd like to, have it saved into a folder. But I'm just going to keep this the same. So I will save that. And then I can click this in my browser here and go to it and review that, make sure it looks how I want. Maybe on this one, I might remove the parts or the other costs to make it a little cleaner. But from there, you can go and review the other work orders and tasks, who they're assigned to. And then, of course, proceed to printing the work order and sending it to your printer. And that is as simple as it is to do batch printing in MicroMain. Thank you so much for your time. Hope you have a good rest of the day.